Today, this wall is our blank canvas. We're going to be creating an ombre wall on it. Remember to always stir your paint because stirring your paint really does make a world of a difference. The tools you'll need are a large roller, a small roller, an angled brush, and some tape. We're going to be using this modern geometric flower design on our wall, and I think the crisp lines will really contrast with the soft ombre of the wall. I like to have mixing cups nearby just to mix up my different shades, and we're going to begin by cutting in the ceiling, which is just using an angled brush closest to the ceiling where the roller cannot get. Then we're going to get our large roller and begin applying our first shade completely across the top of our wall. Then we're going to mix in a little bit of white to that original color and just apply it right underneath the original color. Then we're going to mix in a little more white and just keep repeating this process, and you can see here we have the original, light, and then the lightest. You can continue this process until you blended it down towards the original color of the wall. To blend it out, I really just use light sweeping motions with very light pressure to get rid of those harsh lines. I applied the original wall color and then started blending it upwards toward the lightest color of blue. We really want to avoid all those harsh lines as we can. It's obviously won't be perfect, but that's okay. Once you're happy with how your ombre wall looks, now it's time to stencil. I began stenciling my pattern towards the bottom, which I definitely recommend starting towards the top because as you can see here, I could not even see the lines to line up my registration marks. So definitely I recommend starting with the top or wherever the darkest part of your gradient begins. Once I taped up my stencil, I just started evenly applying the paint with my smaller roller. The outcome is very subtle since it is a gradient wall and we are using our original wall color to paint on the pattern. Before I started this project, I was really feeling inspired by the sky, which is why I tried getting some cloud-like looks in my ombre wall. An ombre wall is all about those beautiful subtleties. This is definitely not your everyday wall, and those beautiful subtleties can really just open up a room, and I hope this video inspired you to maybe switch up one of your walls. Head to our website to check out more of our stencils, and don't forget to tag us on social media with your stencil art.